Have you ever wondered how businesses decide the price of a single extra item? Let's break down the concept of marginal costs. In economics, marginal simply means the next one. It is the change in total cost resulting from producing one additional unit. To calculate this, you divide the change in total production costs by the change in the number of units produced. Marginal cost ignores fixed costs like rent. It only focuses on the variable expenses needed to create that specific additional item. While average cost gives you the big picture, marginal cost helps firms decide if they should increase or decrease production levels. As you see here, costs often drop initially due to efficiency, but might rise later if you need extra shifts or overtime. The sweet spot for any business is finding the point where the cost to make one more item matches the money earned selling it. Understanding these costs helps you see the logic behind pricing. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more finance basics.